City Beach, Florida, Thunder Beach 2008. You can see the big boat in the background, I think. And there's 7 total venues, so we're going to try to hit all of them. The largest one is a little off of Highway 98, so as if you really care. But anyway, I'll try to show as many motorcycles as I can, girls in bikinis, you know, that sort of stuff. So here we go. This is the largest of the 7 venues. This is, I think it's called Frank Brown Park. Now, during the spring, this place is absolutely packed with motorcycles. It's really hard to find a place to park. Yeah. got bitched out by the tattoo shop owner because I parked in this little parking lot and he got really upset. I told him I was only going to be there for a second while I took a picture, and he told me that, yeah, he said, yeah, that's what they all say. So I guess he's on to me. Anyway, that's what happens when you're a lone wolf, I guess. You know, you're not part of any sort of motorcycle club or something. You get pushed around a little bit, but that's all right. I'm pretty thick-skinned. This is where V and I would come. Every time we would go to the motorcycle rally, we would go to Hooters. It became a tradition. But this year he broke the tradition and he went fishing. So there's Hooters.